Entima catch them say me wo there. There's no room for jandam. Me mo bia ntwa montro. There be penya meti ase. Me mo bia mfa so kwame da na ma chenchina. Abanis no say excellency the president John Dramani Mahama on the energy minister Dr. John Abdullahi Jonapo. Omo I install new transformers. Ewa akosombo dam ho no mo ayesa eno ebe boa ama dum so air cost to etwa. So in this video no you better digest it. No cre transformers no John Mahama ne NDC government and de ba here and as transformers no omunya na henefa ye bedo musiko ne ma bie wani ewo ne ma bi ho no akere wa adwene ama me ewo comment. In fact this particular video no important educative video enti a share man nko bara ema me so let's go into the conversation. On is 205 206 we no dum so ya there. In fact ye ne Ghana for ye ne kompa ye ne dum so e gba kulturu kwa kese entokwa kese ne dum so e kon nya se dum so e tete ya brabo. In fact dum so ha ye dum so tena ye di so enye dum so nko dum so kunya no na MTN network so frustrate here na de nwa asem na meka ne hanamo dum so aba. Now this is not the first time Mahama ever tena kunya so dum so eba. The first step from 2012 to 2016 na dum so ku Ghana for no ema be kaya ya mofa ne enuamu nkuma na mutwere BC ene wasi 2015 kura no ya to mu dini dum so class of 2015 because that time no na dum so edru ne peak just ne pompom so ba bia na power outages dum so no ene ya day etum dum there 40 Ghana hanomo na edru ne peak 2015 because of that no ya nkoda no mutwere BC University ya to mu dini dum so class of 2015 ema ba ya asemsebe e wo Ghana ema. In fact because of that kura no Mahama benya bodini the dum so ken in the whole world uko go search dum so ken and I say the king of power outages Mahama dey and beba debate bia ene ho na go say asa to aba Mahama na asa beta kwa 2026 dum so asaba ama haye je say sese amanfo nyuma efie chehye ne ade delay businesses etimdum light 6 hours na delay business hours just hours asan kanipa dia adwa peska gbotom no dum so delay. In fact content creators metimi yes set sembe video metwen light ya mana de asa ne meja kula ye etimi say di man na menye active dum so ntia light no so basa na MTN network enkwasiafo na omu network ajimi enya network kula ni any light emfa nya adwa but ye be manage amamo dum so asaba na dum so ba ye no. Now there were some whole of accusations behind this for Emeki. Aba kuna se omusian uko ECG office no mo a just appointees no MP before ni bi hihemu eto mu na share edundum light no just to sabotage Mahama government. Ebi yes on na say no akosombo ehye Kevin Tira no onuamo ebeka an ana MP before no ana share da kotwadwa ato akosombo dam ni mu ehye no so that the light will go down. Domu the dinas abo Mahama echi just say politics intinipa kasa asa adwene kura anya adwuma bi. Why say obi kwa kwashi akosombe supply man mu nyina no bedo sumu bi because all the year like all the year but not this accusation no ebi mu run e man go viral later under the energy minister ankasa ebe kasae eso odi akwaso no nyese obi na ehye bibia chi obi na kwashi bi na omo running to fuel shortage. Fuel no say the power your plant no man timi nya hoden ya adwuma you running into shortage asa ebi ni ho any many other transformers we also replace any other energy minister ebe chire ya say enye obi na sabotage na mu system ankasa na failure it was it me upgrade e later Mahama ka say there's no dum so he said something between mu to pay say dum so bi ani Ghana na system upgrade ye dum na replace transformers no so that light ne ba ebe gina so amamo para say Mahama ebe kan da asem no anche bia hu say eba nis mu say ECG transformers new ones be aba. He says the president John Mahama wakofa aba enche bia ebe fixe ya fixe dum so ebetwam na say na first May ye May day no Labor Day 2026 and eba nis mu say new transformers no ya fixe ni nyina awie I see they assured Ghanaians say there wouldn't be dum so maybe say dum so one say wo no mo krom for no be ye bitimo so ada dum so aba ama adu e by mo send this for ni yedede twimo mo me Mahama is a hope wakofa transfers aba because transfer na ache transfer that na ache ya replace ye dey be count any other omu budget so and am say na mo ya sure say transformers yi NDC government e de ba ye mo gidi e wo say yenkom ba me fa nkwa che kakra ya 2024 wie ye before say be kwa about mu no na MP4 no aye order bi o makla ECG niema bi na eba Ghana ha no mo e ma ne wan be car port ho no mo ala say ye port ana aba aka process say ye be clear niema no ECG containers ye be clear na aba na abedi ECG for akache na omudi aye adwuma because na omu be ye power upgrade omu upgrade ye transformers any ye transistors any ade no ade a ema ye anyina mahoden no omu ba be upgrade ento me clear containers e buy e ma be kaya January mu hono mo John Jinapa that time na oye energy minister designate e be ka kire Ghana for say during the transition period no oko port wo ekwo hwe ECG containers na aba no ko na eye 3000 e na wo ho e mo ka kire Ghana for pay say those 3000 containers no ebi mu eye transformers and ECG cables and other meters near the ade kan ho.
We took over. I visited the Mahama. Because we have about 3,000 containers stuck at the Mahama. 3,000 containers, most of which contains transformers.
But that transformers, any cables at the doors, according to John Jinapa, or your energy minister today. Later, anybody said those ECG containers now a war port one of them now you say 3,000. About 1,300 plus. Ayira
1,500 figure that was given when we got to the port. 1,300 containers and over could not be accounted for, which means they were missing. Let me put on record that these things have been happening since 2019, and as you can see for yourself, based on where we went, it's a syndicate that has been operating for some years now. As minister, I've taken a decision to break this syndicate. We would chase everybody, pursue every organization that has been operating this cartel. Clearly, as you can see, these are ECG cables. They are meant to be used by ECG, but they end up in these factories and then they melt them in their smelter and produce aluminium rods. That is criminal. I've realized that some misguided element wants to play the NDC MPP politics. Let me assure them that is not going to work. As minister, I've sworn an oath, and it's my duty to ensure that the right thing is done. We would pursue them and ensure that the perpetrators are brought to book. We will do everything we can to trace these containers because they have serial numbers, they have manifest. And let me thank the port authorities and the Director General of the Ghana Ports for cooperating with us and providing us with information. And also to thank the general public. They have been providing the security agencies with information that has led to the arrest of these people. Where we are here, as you can see from behind, a lot of ECG cables stuck in this warehouse, and they've all bolted. Indians and Chinese people have run away. So far, some people have been arrested, and we would ensure that the law takes its course. Why we have this problem is because if you look at the records, and I have the report here, in 2014, ECG's planned procurement was 1.397 billion. By the end of the year, they procured 8.2 billion. And so they engaged in frivolous over expenditure, procured items that they did not have money to clear, and that is what has brought us this far. The same with 2023. Their planned procurement was less than 1 billion. They ended up procuring 8.3 billion. That is more than 7.3 billion over and above what was approved for them. So if you look at the records, in 2022, they procured 1.3 billion. In 2023, they procured 8.3 billion. In 2024, they procured 8.2 billion. Way above what was approved for them. More than 700%. And so let me make it clear. Those who think that they can engage in political football those who think they can use this to try and equalize, it will not work. Since 2019, this crime is being perpetrated on the state. The then government slept on it. This government will not allow this to continue. And as minister, I would ensure that we curtail this, we follow and apprehend those responsible, and retrieve the containers. In simple terms, I want my containers. Simple as that. And wherever the containers are, we'll trace them. And those we've apprehended, we'll not just prosecute them, we'll go to court and seek an order to sell those assets there to defray the cost, so that we use that money to invest in the grid system and to make power delivery available and reliable.
They can't find it. Emma do a beg Ghana Hanu be for Ghana ha. A betri for my remu. After drama started on for the Oma is a copy and go for Kobe's warehouse near Koyano. ECG cables no. A be on to meaning say containers na irayano or munum hubi near Koho.
Cable.
No, but even bamboo, they were
all right, so no, but I want everybody to have you. There are many, so we need to. Okay, so this is originally how all the containers came, and you can see how they are sealed in the wooden pellets. Some people manage to break the seals to these containers, then they removed. So see, about the first line, we have one, I can see eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other 8 or 9. Is it 8?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 8, and then 8 coming all the way to.
Okay, fine. So some quantity have been taken from the top. There will be only one over there. So this line is gone. And when you open all the containers, you see the same trend. So it means that it was cleverly done by the criminals behind these whole activities. So we just wanted you to have information about this. They are not yet taking the content, but they are cleverly taking some from the top line, top layer. Yes. So they take and they leave the last one over there. When we open the next container, you see the same thing over there. Yes. Yes. So
we're saying that they generally remove the top.
The top, yes.
Left one at the top.
Yeah, exactly.
Why do you think that they will do that? Because if they are taking all and leaving one, what's the impression that they creating?
So if you're not somebody who know how the container are loaded, you will be tempted to believe that all came original like this. Okay. But if they take, let's say, one from this one, take two over there, when you open, you know there's something wrong. Yeah, so that's the modus.
All right.
Thank you.
So from this, it means some of the colors are missing from this.
Some are missing. So let's open the next one. They will see. What the gentleman?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
So this is supposed to also be all the way to this place. 8. So they've taken some. 11. So they said, sorry,
A China yakoche China for bi di umaba.
Raise your head. Yeah. Hey, watch the camera.
Just say there were a whole lot of dramas na ekos e wo Ghana hanomo.
Yo Ghana for me cheche bibia. Ese osaka video ya no ahye na akwachiri. So when you say Ghana hanom, politicians ne ka che say Ghana for over 1,300 containers are ECG for ye Ghana for ye dia. a contain cables, any meters, any transformers. Eh, the baby ya diamo mano, ye de be so we dum so no ayra. Some ya we. Me no ka say ni cables na o hwe no. Sisi awe suhum na o hwe cables yi egusuhum baby. E na o hwe no. Suhum e wo eastern part of Ghana, in the eastern region. E na me ka che no. Suhum hwe container cables na me no sika. Ye da kokra container cables we electricity cables we de be so we dum so no. E na o hwe no. Enti cables na de be so we dum so no. E na o hwe gunwa mu no. E na take no say baby a o hwe yi no. A exposed area. So baby, I have exposed place. Say a open place. Say boys need to try na DNA scraps. No, it means almost start to create chat because so baby good now. I just be able to work with chat. It means me catch us say me no yesika ECG sika and a good room no. Me no sika and a good room. ECG cables. Me no sika. Into your gun near and I'm that no. Yesika and a good room no.
Emma later, as I say, ECG cables containers now we say no. Yakwa akohu na evening de yakohu kura no esa do so de se na ayira no because na de se ayira 1300 but the yakohu yeso ye over 2000 eti na se ensam ye hu no kura ewom ba pound no twa no ekoba se ECG containers na yese ayira no yehu and be containing cables transformers any ade yehu no
we took over. I visited the Mahama. Because we have about 3,000 containers stuck at the Mahama. 3,000 containers, most of which contains transformers.
Emma later crown na John Jana Pop so deny say one can containers be the but anfa.
Now is that let's wait and reconcile the figures to see what it means. And let's be very frank. There was a rush into the media to create a certain impression that something was done, something wrong had happened. That was it. Now we are being told that 2,600 something have been found at the same port. Let's.
Chairman, first of all, I think that we have to be consistent. He said, the minister's tone is not different, and that what they heard on TV or radio is that containers are miraculously missing. That's a very mischievous way of presenting the narrative. No. Let's face it. Then it makes it look like the minister went and said miraculously missing. No, you said that. Look, that's what that's the implication. No. Chairman, I'm minister and I'm a member of parliament. Please, when you were speaking, I kept quiet and listening. No, please. But why don't you marry the two? That you said that the minister is now sober. So what we heard on radio, no, that means I wasn't sober. Let me make it clear that I've always been sober. I've remained consistent. And I said that it's a committee report that was sent to me that 1,300 of the containers, when they couldn't find them, you can say they are missing. But if something is missing, you look for it. What is wrong with looking for missing containers? What is the problem? Let's even assume it's missing. Let's take it that they were missing. Or whatever. But if they can't find them, they are missing. If they were not missing, they would have found them. If it's missing, but you are saying you held a press conference and said they were not missing. You were categorical. And then that is it. So let it be so. Then what is the issue? Then where is the argument? There's no argument. Which means they were not missing. They were not missing. So what is it? No, let's even assume they were not missing. What is the issue? But then the narration is totally different now. It's not different now. Let me see the argument. The committee brought a report. They told me that they couldn't find 1,300. The objective is to find every single container. For me, that is the most important thing, and not to engage in semantics. Semantics is not what will resolve the problem. What will resolve the problem is to account for every single container. Then two, Mr. Chairman, why did we get here? Who slept on the job and analyzed that breach?
Okay, Emma Ebeye Asem. Now, it was so interesting to see, say, all kinds of Monsaka containers na ba news no ebesine containers no o ma mieso me hu anema na ewom dom kan ya say ECG cables, but according to John Jinapo the first day in parliament or make transition press or make one accounts or to any to paying say those 3,000 ECG containers on a what part of some of them were containing transformers.
We took over. I visited the Mahama. Because we have about 3,000 containers stuck at the Mahama. 3,000 containers, most of which contains transformers.
But muka say easy cables na containers na ira ma say hu no. Ma me hu ba bia mode niam na ebia koye. Edabusia enna say this government be ka kire many penya metu here say o ma koto transformers di aba. E dey ba support Ghana energy system so that there wouldn't be any doom so me jam to me zakatrom say omu twatro. They should stop lying to Ghanaians. Yanyam koda. Yanyam koda sa. Transformers now, John Jina Pope didn't want to say ECG containers. Where are those transformers? I don't know why. Like I don't know why. Because yanti baby ada say makobo transformers will baby. When you first time yet say mako transform replacement, any mako add new transformers. Ain't no transformers now. John Jina Pope didn't want to say ECG containers on a port on a co inspect no. Some of the containers were having transformers no. Those transformers no were hene. I was a question with no it makes sense. Where are those transformers? It new now mosima born of from mukunya ne hene. These are the questions I am asking, and everything sum up to the fact that the NDC government is lying to Ghanaians. Omungo told transformers via Ghana. Until said they can pinpoint, they can tell us where those transformers or ECG containers and some of my treasure those transformers ha say no omunto bibia ma no no mudi akwa sie na omu yiba any cables no omu yiba ma akoma akọ kire adwema me comment section hi PENYAH Block Media agra